Hi friends, this is your Python partner here. So let's start our session here. So far we have discussed functions and now let's see how could we deal with modules. So what is the plus point of functions? Do you remember? Yes, we can separate block of codes from the main program as well as doesn't want to repeat the codes. Now we can extend this usefulness of functions by storing it in a separate file called modules. Then we can import the same into our program. So how to do that? It's simple by using import statement. So for example, let's write a simple function greeting the customer. Okay. So definition greet of asterisk customers. So yes, I have talked about this sort of parameters and arguments in the video of arbitrary arguments. So I hope you have watched that. If not, I really suggest you to go watch it and come back here. Yes, for others, let's follow. So here there is a for loop. It is, yes, it is just going to loop through that customers. And then we are just going to print a message like, hi, the name of the customer along with have a great day ahead message. Okay. So now I stored this function in the file named mod.py. Okay. Now I open a new file where I write my main program. So in main program, we have to import our module. Okay. So for that, yes, import mod. And next line does nothing but mod.greet of and the names that we are really wishing to give that message, right? So for that. Now, as the Python read import statement, it makes sure the module named mod is available here, meaning the code in the module mod is available in the currently running program. And mod.greetOf, it is the way of using functions from the module. So now as this function call is done, then you can see the output. See? Hi Rahul, have a nice day. Hi Sham, have a nice day. Hi Radha, have a nice day. Hi Shivansh, have a nice day. So now you have done your part, okay? Now just imagine this is because you are doing your assignment and now your friend tells you that she hasn't completed her work and so you just provide her with the module file, that is mod.py file, and now she writes her main part of program alone. So in that, see what she has written? Import mod. Of course, we have to import that in order to use the functions from that module. And that is a line like a print message, like tastes of life awaits. And as well, she has used that greater function with other names like Sharanya, Dave, John, and Shiji, like that. Now see the output? We get taste of life awaits as well as hi Sharanya, have a nice day. Hi Dave, have a nice day. John, Shiji, yes. Now can you see the usefulness of a module? Your friend added her touch in the main program and then used your module to get her results. So when you store your functions in a separate file like modules, you can share them with other programmers without letting them know your main program. As well, knowing to import functions like this can make it easy for you to use libraries of functions that other programmers have written. So now let's see some different approaches to import functions. So from mod import greet. Okay, then greet of Sarvesh and Mritul. See, here we explicitly imported the function greet of in the import statement itself so that we don't want to use that dot notation while calling the function. We could just use that greet of Sarvesh and Mritul, right? And see the output, hi Sarvesh, have a nice day. Yes, for Mritul also. Then, if you feel the name of function you are importing may be conflicting with any of the existing name in your program, or if the function name is too long, then you can use the alternate name similar to nickname for the functions. This is the basic syntax. So from module name, import, and function name as. You have to use this as along with what is the nickname that you are going to assign for that function. Okay, so according to our example, we can write like from mod import greet as G. So then while writing the function call, you have to go with this alternate name. See, G of Rahul and Shyam, right? Okay. Alternate names can be given to modules as well. For example, think there is a module named cake. Okay, then it has a function named make cake of. And now we are just going to write a main part of program where we are going to import those things. Like now we are going to assign alternate names to module, right? So we can just write it as import cake as C. So now I'm importing the cake module as C. Okay, so when we go for using functions from it, we need to use c.makeCakeOf. Okay, not cake.makeCakeOf because we have already given an alternate name here. Okay, yes. And inside that we can pass any plum cake or whatever it is, and those function, maybe it is just making the cake, whatever it is, all these things will taken care of. And now There is another way to import every functions in a module by using asterisk operators. So for that, yes, from module name, import an asterisk. So according to our example, how could we do that? From mod import asterisk. So this will make Python to copy all functions from the module into this program file. And you can use that without dot notation. But this method not suitable when you are working with larger modules that you didn't write. Because if the function name from module matches any existing name in your program, then it get you errors or some unexpected results. So it's better to avoid this. So the best approach is to import the function or functions as we want and use them using the dot notation. So another big point to remember here is always make sure your module file and your program file are in the same directory so that it could import that module into your file and work with it. So yeah, that's it. I hope you really understand this session. So yes, join me friends in this journey of learning. Let's make this journey more interesting. Go on, subscribe and join me here. Bye-bye and take care.